Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today is learn version controls in third topics is GitLabs as a Git repositories with built-in CI and the CDs pipeline and the project and the repositories management. And first command is GitLabs project and the create and the as a name, and the definition is create a new GitLabs project with a specific names and the example as a GitLab and the project, and create and after as a project names as a my dash as a app, and the output is a project my app is created successfully, and the project id is id as a so as a 10234, and the urls is so as a https colon the double slash and gitlabs.com slash username slash my apps. And second is a GitLab repo list as definitions is list all the repositories is accessible to our current users, and the example as a GitLabs and the repo and a list, and output is id names, and visibility is three columns as so, and as the ids is so, and the names of the project is so, and the visibility is a private public is a give is so. And third is GitLabs project delete id. So the definitions is delete the project using the project IDs, and the example as a GitLabs and the project and delete as a IDs is 10234, and the output is a project ID with IDs is 10234 has been deleted successfully is output as so. And fourth command is GitLab's repo and frog as a repositories names, and the definition is create a frog's copy of a specific repositories, and the example as GitLabs and the repo fork and the users names and the website, and output is a fox is created successfully, and the new repositories in colon, and the https colon the double slash and gitlabs.com slash the use your users name slash the website is url as to so. Fifth is GitLab's repo and clone and URLs to write, and the definition is clone the GitLab's repositories to your the local machine, and example as a GitLab's repo and the clones and the URL to write as https colon the double backslash gitlabs.com slash the user slash website dot git is extensions to write, and the output is a clown into the website, and a remote is emulating object and colons as 85 commas as a done, and the receiving the object is 100%, and the counts as 85 to 85 and is done. And sixth command is GitLab repo and achieve as a repo names, and is a definition is achieve the repositories and the making it and read only. So the example as a GitLab and repo achieve and the repositories name as a username slash as a website. So the output is a repositories user slash website has been achieved, and the project is now read only. And GitLab in second topic is issue command, and first is GitLab's issue and the list is so as a definition list all the issues in the current project, and example as a GitLab and issue and a list is so the output is the id title and the status three columns is so, and the ids and the title as a fix logging bugs and the update documents, and etc as the title says to show, and the status is open, close, anywhere. And a second is a GitLab issue create and double hyphen titles and double quotes inside the titles and double hyphen as a description, and the description is right in double quotes, and the definition is create a new issues with a specific titles and the description. And example as a GitLab and issue create and the double hyphen title and double quotes inside the titles is a logging errors, and the double hyphen description and the double quotes inside the description is there as a user unable to logging with valid credentials. And output as the issues is create successfully, and the issues IDs is 4, and the titles is logging errors, and status is open. And third is the GitLab say issues close, and the issues IDs to write, and the definition is close the issues with giving the issue ID, and example as a GitLab and the issues and close as a 4 is IDs issues IDs, and the output is issues 4 has been closed, and the status is a close. And fourth is a GitLab issues is a reopen, and the issues ID is this, and the definition is reopen the previously closed the issues, and the example is a GitLab and issue and reopen the ID's name as a 4, and output is so as issues 4 has been reopened, and the status is open. And third topics is a merge request command, and fifth is GitLab is a merge request and the list, and definitions is the list all the merge request in the current project, and the example as a GitLab and the merge underscore request and the list. So the output is a ID title, and the status is so, and IDs is so, and the title is add the authentication features, and fix the navigation bar stylings, and status is opens, and merge request, so the fix navigation bar stylings is merge status is so. And six command is a GitLab as a merge underscore request, and the create and the double hyphen source hyphen branch and the branch name, and double hyphen the target and the hyphen branch and the branch names, and the double hyphen title, and the title is give in the double quotes. So the definition is create a new merge request from source branch to the target branch with a title. And example as a as a GitLab and the merge underscore request and create, and double hyphen as a source branch, and source branch names as a features dash logging, and double hyphen the target branch is main, and the double hyphen title is double quotes is add logging features. So, and run it, so the output is a merge request is created successfully, and MRIDs colons as a 12, and the source branch and colons as a features dash as a loggings, and the target branch and colons as a main, and status is as a opens. And seventh command is a GitLab as a merge underscore request, and close the merge IDs, and definition is close the specific merge request, and example as GitLab and merge underscore request, and close as a 12 is a merge request ID. So the output is a merge request as a 12 has been closed, and the status is a close. Thank you to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon. Thank you so much guys to watch the videos.